But if you hold down the lever, it stops it from going to neutral.
How do you know? Did you start it up and try it?
It should.
Alright. Anyhow, I don't know what he's going on. Guys, we got the convertible top here. I can stop looking really ghetto. You over there really messing with it?
1, 2, 3. Neutral.
So all I gotta do is hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, do a pass. You gotta make the noise. No, you gotta go back. Make the noise. Alright, enough messing around. Let's get this tire off. And we pretty much got to take the full skeleton off the actual Miata to get... It's easier to do it this way is by removing everything and not doing it on the car. So let's go ahead and get this thing off. Alright, once you got... There's like 10 bolts, 8 bolts on the little bracket here. They go on there. Well, after you take those out, it's pretty self-explanatory. I've already taken this out. There's like 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and then the 3 bolts that actually hold it on. So once I get these pulled off, all I gotta do is take the whole top off. 2 hours in and I'm literally overdoing this. This is so stupid. I don't know whoever invented the soft top, but you honestly are so stupid to think anybody wants to do this, okay? Anybody. Well, I'm gonna waste another 2 hours trying to do this. This is the, I'm really over this stuff. Okay, eating ice cream from Brahms. This thing's gonna be the death of me. What are you looking at now? This is my ice cream. Stop looking. Don't stop. Just quit. Enough. Nope. Get out of here. Alright, you're done. Quit. Well, I got no lights, and well, the top I think is done. Now we just gotta bolt everything down and hope everything works, and we'll go test drive it, and hopefully there's no wind noise, right? Because if there's wind noise, I'm gonna be so pissed, like literally just over it. But I don't really care. Okay, so let's get this up and at 'em. 1, 2, 3. Did it work? Is it on the car?
Does it look like it's on the car?
No. Shit.
Alright, now we have a convertible truck Miata.
Hell yeah. That drain's clogged too. I'm gonna unclog it. Oh, you in there? You wanna see what I'm doing in here? Yeah, this sucks. Get a convertible, they say. It was so easy. I'm holding the dang bracket here, as you guys can tell by my feet, trying to put the lug nuts on. Or lug nuts.
Yeah.
The fucking...
Nice.
1, 2 out of 30. This is not fun. And there's no, as anybody is expecting, there's no rain guard. And honestly, I don't expect to keep this car long. So I'm just doing this for funsies. Everything's dropping. My fat ass broke this. God damn.
Yeah, on this side, yeah. Fuck.
Stop filming. Stop, Zach.
About an hour later, we're still trying to heat this thing up. We actually got one side to click on. Now, we're just trying to get this side to click on. This one kind of sucks to get on, but we'll let you know if we get done. It's about 11 o'clock, and I'm tired. Let's go for it, Zach.
All right. Got it?
I think so. Hold on. Push it. Oh. Nothing? Got no light?
And there's a little bit right here.
Well, we gotta tighten that whole thing down. We got it on. I'm sweating so bad. I think all we gotta do is let it stretch.
Yeah.
And then just tighten it just a
like
little.
wait for it to be sunny and drive it to work and literally set it where in the sunniest spot possible.
Exactly.
And just order everything, like by the time this thing's done, it's still gonna be a while before it gets here.
So, guys, soft top's on. That sucked. I'm never doing that again. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like. Subscribe if you guys are not new. Or, god dang it. Subscribe if you guys are new. See you guys in the next